Hi, I'm Dennis Simsek, the anxiety guy, and I want to personally welcome you here. If you've landed on this page, chances are you are tired. Tired of the constant fear, tired of second guessing every symptom, every thought, every moment of peace, tired of doing everything right, but still feeling stuck. I know that place intimately. I lived there for years. And I want to tell you, you are not alone. And more importantly, you can heal. For years, I battled anxiety, panic attacks, and obsessive health fears. There wasn't a day I didn't feel like something was wrong with me, either physically, emotionally, or both. I spent thousands of hours researching, questioning, testing, and nothing truly stuck. Until I realized that healing isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things in the right order with the right guidance. That realization changed everything. Through a blend of CBT, somatic healing, subconscious reprogramming, and nervous system work, I didn't just manage my anxiety, I ended the cycle. And now I help people all over the world do the same. And here's what I know to be absolutely true. When you're in the depths of anxiety, the hardest part is knowing what to do next. There's so much information out there, and most of it leaves you more overwhelmed than before. That's why I created these programs, to take the guesswork out of your healing. Each one gives you daily guidance every single day, with practical tools, audio lessons, mental rewiring techniques, and emotional support laid out step by step. You don't have to figure this out alone. You don't have to wake up each day wondering, what do I try now? You just follow the path. Take a breath, really. Pause and take one now. You've made it here. That means something. You're not here by accident, and you don't need to wait for a better moment to begin. If my story speaks to you, if you're ready for structure, support, and healing that doesn't feel like another job, have a look at the programs on this page and let your intuition guide you. And when you're ready, I'll be here every step of the way. Your healing journey starts now.